I just remembered to vlog. I'm here with Sarah.
Hi, friends.
Can you guys tell where we are? You probably can. We're looking. Oh, they do have it open?
Yeah, they have
All right, hold on. Say it again.
Here we have condoms for your food.
Wait, where's the picture?
As you can see,
How interesting. It literally is a food condom.
if you will.
Wait, but it's kind of genius, no?
Because
Because they are
$2.99.
silicone. How many do you get in there? Look at this little one.
There's probably 3.
Right, these 2 sizes and then a blue one.
Yep, 1, 2, 3.
I think I want it.
You should.
I think
For the Magnum.
I think this is genius. I'm getting it.
Sold.
Boom.
Easy sale for IKEA.
It'll save like me a Ziploc, you know, when I have like. All right, what else do we need? We're just browsing, you guys. We don't know what to get. We're here for candles and napkins, though.
But maybe also this like.
Oh, do they have lids? See, I don't have any with lids.
It's like Yeezy inspired.
It goes with your
It goes
your
with my
tones.
outfit?
Yeah. Wait, is that a whole set though? I don't even see it.
I don't see it.
I don't have anything with lids. All of mine have like, so I have to like put like a plastic over it.
They're
It's so
game
lame.
changer. Well, they might have here the same thing, the same condoms for lids.
Oh, that's true. You're right. Oh, I like this blue color. That's pretty. Yes. I really want like bowls now with lids. I haven't been to IKEA in a while, so
They didn't really update their colors.
wait, look at the peach ones. Peach.
Oh, yeah, but they don't have.
I want the peach ones.
They don't have any.
That's absurd. I guess I'll go with pink again as well.
I know, I want to get like another one while I'm here though.
These napkins are the
Maybe
best.
like burgundy, because by the time the pink runs out,
Fall.
you'll probably want fall.
Oh, I really love these peach ones. That's such a mood.
Do you like a shot?
I know, like I like how it's layered like that.
I'm not gonna ever do that though.
These are great, you guys. I might just do this and I mean, how long do these last us again? 50 napkins? I don't know what color. Yeah, I'm doing orange. Unless we can find another color.
It's a burgundy.
Some bathroom stuff. I love this little pink pot. All my plants are so big. This is cute. Oh, I love this. There's 3 in here. All right, Sarah's getting some tea light candles. Is that what they're called?
Tea lights.
Tea light candles, yes.
This one almost has no scent.
What is that supposed to be? What is that?
Figs and pineapple.
Yeah, this one's very subtle too. Both of these are very subtle. I low-key like the peach more, but that's just me.
I know, but
This
it's
is
so
what we-
summery.
What? Yeah, it's true.
I don't even think I could put this in my car if I wanted
Is that real?
to. Yeah.
I mean, we could fit it in your car. It's going to be a whole adventure.
We would have to vacuum it out afterwards.
Yes, you would. How about a little one? Oh, wait, no, you want that corner. Yeah, you're right. Okay, I remember that. These are so cute. for $5.99. Look at the yellow. Yes. I'm going to say yes. I love that. So cute. I have the one over here. Oh, I can't zoom in. I have this one. Sarah's going to get that one. So cute. That's my cactus.
Stands.
What does that mean?
You know, there's like stands, like plant stands.
Oh, like risers? I mean, there's these. All right, you guys, I'm back in Ulta. I'm in the hair section because I wanted to get some things for toning. You guys know I just went like blonde highlights and I don't want them to get brassy. So I'm gonna get this mask. Don't mind my nails. I just took off my nails. But I'm gonna look for some shampoo and conditioner too. The upkeep of getting your hair done, right? This is so cute. Are you gonna try one? Try one. We'll get your review.
Is this
Duck sauce? Yum. All right.
I don't mind. I was like, we're getting scallop.
Hi friends, I think this is the next day. I don't think I vlogged all last night, which we didn't really do anything actually, but I'm at Sarah's right now and we just made a cucumber, watermelon, feta, red onion, balsamic salad. We also have this really sad charcuterie board.
It's like mostly Ian.
But the main course, snow crab legs. Went to the grocery store today. We balled out. So this is going to be dinner. I'm so excited. We have a whole stick of butter. Oh, wait. Do you have lemon?
Yep.
Okay, perfect. So good. This is Sarah's proudest moment, everyone. Her spice drawer. She's trying to decide which
one
to move out.
I'm not gonna use. I don't really use celery salt. I've never used this.
I don't think I've ever really used it either. That's a good choice to move
I
out.
don't need celery salt.
What are you adding? Show them what you added.
So I just got white pepper, and onion powder. Onion powder, just no brainer.
It's fine.
Um,
What are your favorite spices?
my favorite spices.
That you, whether you use it often or not.
I think I go by. It depends what I just. It always goes by like what I just ate. I just made like a 5-spice chicken.
Ooh, okay.
That was really good.
5 spices, pretty, yeah, fire.
It's like pretty fire for like a one and done.
Mm-hmm.
Garlic powder is just 50% of my blood flow.
Yeah.
So
I use garlic powder all the time.
Oh, I did get. I think this is it. This is fun. This is a smoked turmeric.
A smoked turmeric.
Smoked turmeric. So it just adds like a nice little jazz to whatever you're using turmeric.
Oh, that's cool. Where'd you get that?
This one I got at Reading Terminal. They have like a cute little spice store
Cute.
in the back that I would recommend. And you buy it by like, the weight.
Cute.
So,
I like that. So you can buy as little or as much, right?
Yeah, so you don't end up with a drawer like this. You could, but then I also,
This
it's
is
not really helpful
pretty,
because
yeah.
I also buy large quantities. Like this is how much curry powder I bought.
You'll use that though.
I'll use it.
Yeah.
But, we don't.
Right.
We don't skimp on the spices over in this.
Goals. This is goals here, everyone.
Yeah. I'm just going to drain them.
All right. So Sarah's doing her draining over there. That's what they look like. Defrosted. We have the butter here. She's going to put them in. Have you ever done this before?
Yep. It's been a while though, so we'll see.
Seasoned the water with all the spices that you guys saw earlier. I'm just kidding, not all of them.
No, it's just a Cajun with a little bit of smoked paprika. And a ton of salt.
And the lid will go on, and then we wait. 3 to 5 minutes?
Yeah.
3 to 5 minutes.
Goodbye.
This is behind the scenes of trying to plate for a picture on Instagram. So we have the salad. We're doing the most. We're gonna add a little bit more feta, fresh feta on the top. Okay. Oh, that.
A little bit more.
That's good. A little bit. Okay.
Mentioned.
All right. So it's been 3 to 5 minutes. I don't know what Sarah said.
4 minutes.
4 minutes. Lift off. Ooh.
Sorry. I'm probably done.
Yeah. Yum. And this was 2.5 pounds, you guys. If you guys were curious of what 2.5 pounds of crab legs looks like. Looks like that. Boom.